Yeah, and from those conversations we're having with them, saying, we typically get between 200 and 300 slots a year of engines. Now that differs if we fill the allocation or if something else happens in the world. But so we already know that our slots for the rest of this year, 2027 and 2028 are already full for engines from Rolls-Royce. We're actually feeding into 2029 already. So we
Wow.
actually know
Okay.
where that work's going to be, what customers we're working with, what regions they're in. And then we can say to container manufacturers, for example, these are the jobs we've got. We know that they're going to come to you. And that's what's given them the foresight then to invest in the new premises. And it just goes hand in hand that we are
Yeah.
fortunate that we can see that far into the future, but you need to use that data as well.